Hey everyone, welcome back to Printheads. Whenever you want your Epson ET-3760 to print in vibrant color, it gives you faded prints, streaks, or maybe no colors at all. Especially when you need these documents or photos urgently. It only happens when your printer runs on low ink, has clogged nozzles, or a software related issue. That's why in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get your colors back to normal. Also, for additional help, call these numbers on the screen. Let's get started now. First, go to your printer's control panel. Then, scroll to right until you see Maintenance and select it. Now, tap on Printhead Nozzle Check and press OK to continue. When the printer prompts you to load paper, place a few sheets in the tray. After that, simply tap on Print and let the printer do its thing. Once the page comes out, take a quick look at it. If you see broken or missing lines, that's how you'll know which ink nozzle is clogged. Now, you need to press the Home button on the control panel. After that, navigate to Maintenance option using the right arrow button and then press OK. Next, go to Printhead Cleaning option and hit the OK button. Once you see the confirmation screen like this, then select Start to proceed with the next step. Now, the cleaning process will start and it will take about 3 minutes to complete. Once the printhead cleaning is complete, it will ask you to check the nozzle once again. If you want to check it again, then select the Check option. If you get the perfect color lines on the printed page, then your printer issue is fixed.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.